Chasewater is a reservoir in Burntwood, Lichfield, Staffordshire. Burntwood was recorded as Brendywood, meaning area of burned wood, so named after the burning of heath in Cannock Forest. Lichfield gets its name from Lichitfelder, meaning open land near Letterkenny. This was a Celtic place name meaning grey wood. It was known as Norton's Pool until 1956, as bordering Norton Keynes had several man-made lakes left over from its mining days. It was also known as Cannock Chase Reservoir, with Cannock Chase being a neighbouring area to Lichfield, and with Cannock potentially coming from the Celtic word Cannock, meaning high place, and Chase was a term used to describe a forest owned by an individual rather than a monarch. Excavations began in 1796, and it was constructed in the next year to provide water for the Wiley and Essington Canal, which was opened in the same year as the reservoir. This 90-hectare reservoir is the largest canal feeder reservoir in use today. The area became a country park in 1998, and now is a great place for people to come and visit, local or not.